Hey guys, in this video we are gonna discuss the most striking features of Java that differs it from any other programming language. So the features are simple. Java is relatively easier to understand and learn if you have some previous programming experience because it has the same syntactical features of C and C++, which makes it easier to understand the language. Portable. Portability is simply means that how easily a Java program can run on all other platforms. This feature makes it easier to run the code anywhere once it is written. Robust and secure. Java is very much robust and secure because of its strict compile and runtime data type checking. Java has garbage collection, which makes efficient use of memory, and exception handling eliminates any risk of crashing the system. Object-oriented. Java is a true object-oriented programming language. That means that everything in Java is treated as one object. Multi-threaded. Java handles multiple tasks simultaneously by using the concept of threading. Platform independent. Java is a platform independent language because once written and compiled, it generates intermediate codes which can further be executed on any other platform. Compiled and interpreted. Java is both compiled and interpreted, means that it holds both the features while executing the code. First, the code is compiled to intermediate bytecode, and then the Java interpreter interprets the bytecode and generates the machine code. High performance. Java incorporates the intermediate bytecode and uses garbage collection, and the concept of threading reduces the overheads and enhances the overall performance. Distributed. Java can be used to create applications for the distributed environment of the internet. Dynamic. Java is a dynamic programming language, means at runtime code can be dynamically linked. So these are the main features of Java. In the next video we are going to discuss the object-oriented features of Java.